complaint came in is that they had mold on the ceiling in the bathroom. As soon as I opened up the door, you could smell the mold in here. So I ran an infrared camera. It didn't really show much except for a water spot where that hole is cut out right here. There's some pipes inside, but you definitely could smell the mold. So what I did is some comparison readings on moisture readings with the Tramex at different levels of the ceilings and walls, showing the moisture content. We were showing moisture content between 30 and 100%. I dropped that box down. Above this is I-joist, above this box, and above this ceiling is all I-joist with spray foam, closed cell spray foam to the subfloor, because upstairs is their kitchen and their main living area. This is their entertainment area. Inside this hole, there is some drain lines that's condensating and dripping down. So I cut out a hole. You can see the mold on the drywalls and the condensation dripping off the pipes. Now the infrared camera did show that, but when I took this light fixture down and you look, see, she's starting to get nail pops. There's some mold growing right around those areas of the can. When I drop that box down, there is water dripping from the closed cell spray foam.